The Schwinn Airdyne is a great piece of cardiovascular equipment that is low impact and perfect for individuals of all abilities. Let's take a quick peek on how we can set up for this machine and get started in your workout program. I'm going to put a link below of the Schwinn Airdyne that I recommend for beginners to get if you wanted to purchase one for your home gym. Now to start, let's set up our seat height for the Schwinn Airdyne. Good rule of thumb that I like to use when setting up the seat height is to place the seat height at about the height of your hip when you are standing up nice and tall. That way when you get onto the bicycle, there is a slight knee bend when the pedal is fully extended at the bottom. Some Schwinn Airdynes will have a lever that goes forward or backward that you can adjust as well. This model doesn't have one, but just set up the seat lever so that when your foot is on the pedal, the ball of your foot is directly on the pedal. Once you have that part set up, you can start to begin your workout. Now, luckily, when you're on this machine, you don't really need to worry about this monitor. A lot of the monitors on this Schwinn Airdyne machine don't even work. One thing you can use this monitor for is looking at your overall duration or even your calories burned. But just remember that calories burned is still just an estimate. The great thing about the Schwinn Airdyne is that it is incredibly easy to use and doesn't even use any electricity at all. So all you have to really do is get on the bike and start pedaling. One thing to note is that the harder you pedal on this machine, the harder the exercise will be. So if you decide to do a sprint for 10 seconds, that is going to be much harder than if you do a nice casual stroll in the park. Simply because the fan resistance is what makes it hard. So if you're thinking about workouts to do for yourself, an easy workout could be a nice 10-minute light bike ride. And another version could be a 10-minute workout where you are doing 10 seconds as hard as you can with 50 seconds of rest. Like this video if it helped you out and subscribe to the channel as we help individuals of all ability improve their overall health and knowledge of the gym. And go ahead and check out this other video I created showing you how to set up the squat rack height for your own specific build. I'm out of it,